Alright, so I made my friend a hopping horse and did not tell her about it. So she was originally going to get Cookie, but she's actually going to get a horse that was made to look just like her horse in real life. So I'm very, very excited. So let's go take Myra 2.0, and for her to see.
I see him. It's a Myra. Oh, it's so cute. Why does it have a bow on it?
It's for you.
Is it really?
I made her just for you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, she's so
Are you
pretty.
recording or? Oh,
Yes,
there
she
was, like, a
looks just
picture.
like Myra.
Mm-hmm.
You did it off a picture, didn't you?
Yep.
You even got her little black stripes and her pretty feet.